Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's week 4 of our remote learning experience, and it turns out we're not coming back, which I'm pretty bummed about. I'm ready to get out of here. So, especially seniors, I'm sorry that this is how your end of year has to go out. I do want to still try and figure out a way for you guys to sign the pennants. I don't know how that's going to look, but we have a few weeks left, so we'll do our best. This week we're going to do law of cosines, which is very similar to what we were doing last week, solving non-right triangles. We have some formulas here. Let me first just kind of convince you of what these formulas look like and how they're all kind of the same. If you're trying to find a missing side A, what you need are the other two sides, B and C, and then the angle A. So all these formulas are kind of the same. If you're looking for side B, it's the other two, A, C, A, C. Side C, A, B, A, B. You're always going to find the angle of the side that you have. So we talked a little bit about this earlier. A law of sines you'd use when you have, really it's when you have an angle side pair. So that's angle side angle, which is angle angle side, or the ambiguous thing side side angle. We're going to use law of cosines when you have all three sides and you want to find the angles, or you have two of the sides and you want to find the third side, which then you can use to find the angles. This week we'll just focus on solving sides. Very easy, it's just straight into the calculator. So let's do the first one together. I'm going to draw a triangle, and it doesn't have to be to scale or at all. It's just got to be not a right triangle. So we'll say A, B, C. Remember, angle A is across from side A, so if they tell me side A is 11, that's 11. Angle C is across from side C, so that's 14, and angle B is 34 degrees. So if I'm trying to first decide what should I use, I'm going to do law of cosines because this is a side angle side. I have the angle between two sides, so SAS, side angle side. If I'm trying to find side B, that's down here, little b, that's my unknown. So which formula should I use? Which one has little b isolated? Oh, this guy right there. So I'm going to use that formula, and it's really just plug it straight into the calculator. I'll type up what I'm going to type in, and then I'll actually do it. So this is the equation I'm going to use, and I don't know b squared, but I do know A is 11, so 11 squared plus, I know little c is 14, 14 squared minus 2 times 11 times 14 times the cosine of, I do have angle B, it's 34. So I'm just going to type this right into the calculator, and I might have already done the first one. There you go. So 11 squared plus 14 squared minus 2 times 11 times 14. There you go, 61. Now, that's B squared, so remember, you do need to square root that. The square root of that would be, we'll say 7.85, and if we're going to round to the, let's say, hundredths place, so we'll say 2 decimals, 7.85. So B is 7.85 units. They don't give us any units, so just make sure you square root it after you're done. That's about it. Let's do another one. This one, they gave me the triangle. This is side, angle, side. I have my formulas there again. I'm looking for, in this problem, side C, so I'm going to use this formula. I don't know C squared, that's what I'm finding. I know A is 18. I know B is 10 minus 2 times 18 times 10 times the cosine of C, 120. Cosine of 120, that's on the unit circle. Sweet. Okay. Let's type it in the calculator now. 18 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 18 times 10. Again, make sure you're in degrees. Okay, so that's C squared, square root of 604. 24.576, which will round to 24.58. So C, I'm going to say C is 24.58. C squared I don't really care about, but C squared is 604, so 604. Okay, that's your missing side. So if we're just finding sides, you are just typing it into the calculator. Real nice, you got the formulas in front of you. So let's do one more. This is side, angle, side. We're asked to find this missing, I guess the width of the mountain or something there. So I want you to try it. Hit pause right now. Then work it out. We'll go over it in a second. Hey, we're back. Okay, so how far is A from B? I'm going to use the third formula here, so I can just type this into my calculator. I think we're pros at this point. If I'm looking for side C, I'm going to use this one. So A squared is 212 squared. And honestly, it doesn't even matter if you put them in the wrong order because it's addition or multiplication. It's fine. Minus 2 times 212 times 388 times the cosine of 82.4. That will be C squared. Square root that, and you get 416.81. So 416.81 416.81. The only thing I'm really going to do is just see, like, does that seem reasonable? 416.81 is the biggest. Okay, that's not necessarily the biggest angle, but, well, I guess it's going to have to be the biggest angle, right? You got about 100 degrees between them, so yeah, 416.81. There's not a whole lot else you can do to check it. So you're going to have your Schoology assignments due, a couple problems, very easy. Get that done for the week, and hope you guys are doing all right. I'll see you when I see you.